Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add a circle in Blender. First, launch Blender and confirm you are in object mode. This is crucial for adding new objects to your scene. Next, press Shift plus on your keyboard to bring up the Add menu. From there, hover over Mesh and then click on Circle to insert a basic circular mesh into your three-dimensional workspace. Once your circle is added, a small Add Circle panel appears in the bottom left of your viewport. This panel allows for immediate adjustments. You can modify the number of vertices, which determines the smoothness of your circle, from 3 to 64 or more. Also, adjust the radius to control its overall size and the depth to give it a three-dimensional thickness. A newly added circle is typically just an outline. To create a solid face, select your circle and press Tab to enter Edit mode. Once in Edit mode, ensure all the circle's vertices are selected. If not, press it to select everything. With all vertices highlighted, simply press the F key. This action will fill the entire area enclosed by the circle, creating a solid face. After filling the circle, you can further manipulate it. In Edit mode, with the face selected, press E to extrude it. You can then pull it along an axis to create a cylinder or a pipe. Circles are incredibly versatile in Blender, serving as foundational elements for countless objects, such as wheels, gears, or the bases of more complex structures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.